yes, especially developing country and my country, your country can cope with this pandemic crisis. And I hope India reaches the bottom of curve and decreases the case soon. Thank you so much, Dr. Walaa. And may
Thank you.
I introduce Dr. Ibrahim Tantawy for the closing ceremony of our first international symposium, COVID-19 and Sustainable Development Goals, a role of sciences and health challenges. So, Dr. Ibrahim, can you join us now? Dr. Ibrahim? So, Dr. Ibrahim, I don't know, you hear me, Dr. Ibrahim? Dr. Gad, you are hearing me? So, Dr. Ibrahim Tantawy connected? Dr. Ibrahim? So, Professor Fukami, over you. I would like to give some word before I read the recommendation of our symposium. So can you give some words, then I will tell our recommendations for the end of symposium. So please.
Okay. Thanks for all the attendees and also the lecturers and also Professor Walaa. And from this the lectures, I myself learn so many things, and to get the many knowledge and the field is very far from the medicine and also the chemistry and the biology. And today, EL-Qady mentioned the collaboration and cooperation as a scientist. This point is a very important point for us. Even for architectural historian, I could do something for this situation. And perhaps one thing is, as a scientist,
هو مين اللي هيقول بعد بروفيسور فوكامي؟
we could exceed the national states. For example, this time, the Japan or Egypt or India or something, how many the patient or something. But as the scientist, we have to exceed the national states because of the how to say the future over size of this globe. And as an JSPS, we can support like this lecture, and also the day before yesterday, I mentioned something the publishing this lectures through online or something that they are papers. Also, it's very how to say our pleasure to support like this. As an architecture historian, we could not go back to the past, but though we learn from history. So, as I'm closing, beyond the field and beyond the nationality, we could cooperate and cooperate as a scientist. Thanks so much. It's okay?
So much, Dr. Walaa. Yes, I am hearing you. I am with you. I'm hearing you. Okay, now. أنا سامعاك يا دكتور إبراهيم، سامع حضرتك، أنا سامعاك. حضرتك ممكن بس تظبط الكاميرا، تقرب من الكاميرا وحضرتك تتكلم. Thank you, dear Professor Fukami. Thank you so much for your work. And I would like to welcome Dr. Ibrahim Tantawy, the president of JSPS AAE in Cairo. So, Dr. Ibrahim, over for you.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Walaa, for your
Dr. Ibrahim,
efforts to make this event successful.
Dr. Ibrahim.
My closing remarks. سامعني؟
نعم. علي صوتك شوية.
حضرتك؟
ممكن تعلي صوتك شوية بس؟ ماشي.
Good afternoon, everyone. سامعني كده؟
أيوة يا فندم سامعك.
أيوة دكتور ولا؟
يس سامعك.
طيب. Okay. Good afternoon. Thank you very much for everyone to participate in this webinar, which was really an excellent opportunity to challenge and to find a solution for our current crisis about COVID-19 that we are facing today all over the world. And I hope that the scientists and researchers to find and discover new diagnostic and therapeutic tools to treat such a disease. Really, the presentation of this event were extremely enlightening and excellent, and the discussion ده كده فصل فين يدينا مشينا ولا ايه؟
أنا سامعاك يا
دكتورة ولاء سامعاني؟
أيوه سامعاك حضرتك كمل.
معلش
أنا سامعاك.
طيب okay. The presentations were extremely really interesting, and the discussion illustrated how global in nature pandemic, not just in the spread of the virus, but also in its effect and responses. The speakers addressed a wide range of issues and the challenges arising from the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic in Egypt and the other countries all over the world, including biosafety, as well as lessons for future responses and efforts. Really, as a webinar organizers, we are very grateful for the presenters' time, efforts in developing and delivering their presentations and the willingness and their willing to share their works, lessons, and insights during this critical pandemic time. I would like to thank you for making the time to attend and enrich our event. I would also like to extend my sincere thanks and appreciation to Dr. Walaa, Saad, the main organizer of this event, and also to Professor Fukami, Director of JSPS Research Office in Cairo, for their great efforts and genuine help to make this event possible. Finally, I would like to thank who contributed to this webinar in different capacities, wishing you all the best and all rewarding success in the future. And we looking forward to see you and hear you for our next event. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Dr. Ibrahim, for your talk to the final and ending closing ceremony. And shall I share my screen now for telling our recommendations and our speakers' recommendations. Thank you. So we get to the last day of our symposium, the final closing ceremony. I asked many speakers to send the recommendation, and we write ours and yours recommendation. So, recommendation for this symposium came from many speakers, our guests, for excellent deliberation in symposium trigger the scope of new research, new policy, and proceeding with new energy. The platform may now be used for mutual collaborations, organizing more such conferences in different parts of the globe, create more opportunity for interactive communication among general public and professional scientists, consider user-based personalized implementation of new technology, and promote science and technology that can adapt to the general public, and reconsider the role of discipline-based academic societies. They should be more supportive to citizen-based science research activity. And we need to more effectively utilize science communicators as a facilitator to solve our society issue. Open science means full transparency of all underlying pros, create more opportunity for interactive communication among general public and professional scientists. Consider user-based transparency is key for building and sustaining trust in science rather than bringing conclusion to the public. We need to be upfront about science being a process, and that scientists are those who are fully aware of what we don't know. And also we need to communicate and engage in conversations, embracing opportunity to provide by new technology, dare to put forward question and split up and exploring directions. Open sharing of information combined with open critical can lead to much faster and more robust. And the last recommendation to sharing the meeting link more, it's a request rather than recommendation, to sharing the meeting link more actively on social media that will increase to reach as many researchers around the world. Thank you so much for listening and participating and attending our presentation. This is an ancient Egyptian picture. It's Sphinx, and in Arabic we say shukran, and thank you so much. Dr. Ibrahim, can you unmute yourself? I didn't hear you, Dr. Ibrahim. Dr. Ibrahim, please unmute yourself. It's okay, I will do. Dr. Ibrahim, I can't hear you.
Just سامعني كده؟
أيوة دكتور إبراهيم اتفضل.
Thank you very much, Dr. Walaa, for all your efforts. Really, you did well. So I wish all best, and I hope that our conference marks or recommendations can be useful for the Egyptian society. I hope so.
Thank you so much, Dr. Ibrahim. Thank you, Professor Dr. Fukami, for your support. And without your support and without your helping us to create and to maintain this symposium, it will not be here and will not be success. Thank you, Professor Fukami. And thank you all dear international speakers and Egyptian speakers as well for your time and your support and participate in this symposium. And I would like to Dr. Gad give the end of this ceremony. Dr. Gad, are you here with us?
Yeah.
They said in the past is the last is the best. So you are the last.
Thank you, Dr. Walaa. In fact, I myself and on behalf of JSPS Alumni Association, I would like to thank you very much for your tireless efforts during organization and moderating the sessions of this very successful conference. Thank you very much. I would like to thank Professor Fukami, the director of JSPS Research Station of Cairo, Professor Ibrahim Tantawy, the president of Alumni Association of JSPS in Egypt, and to all our distinguished speakers. You made a very interesting and wonderful presentations. I'm sure the recommendation you sent to Dr. Walaa will be useful for our community, either JSPS or other institution involved in this symposium. Again, very much thank you to everyone, and looking forward to have all of you again in another event or symposium or workshop to be organized by JSPS. Thank you very much, and see you in next near future conference, and could be a physical meeting, not online meeting, after this travel ban due to COVID-19. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Dr. Ged. And I am really be honored to have all of you today and all the past 5 days. Thank you so much. And again, I am with you to be physically a conference soon organized by JSPS, and I welcome all our speakers and participants to join us, inshallah, when all these crises will be over and return to our normal life. Thank you so much. So we can close now. And
Dr. Walaa, you already upload the video of this meeting on the face page of the JSPS Alumni Association. So all participants can use this video to share to your colleagues or students who haven't attended this symposium.
Yes, okay. It's really true. I received many requests to share the links for YouTube. I also to convert all recorded video and upload it to YouTube channel, and I create and publish this link for YouTube channel for every day lectures. So I will upload it to the symposium website, and also for JSPS page website, to allow all participants, all scientists and doctors who couldn't join us for this very valuable 5 days symposium to see and to hear recorded video. And I will also create a Google document for questions and answer. Even if they are seeing the recorded video, can write the questions for speakers, and they can send this question by email, and we can answer all questions even in recorded non-live video. So yes, you are right, Dr. Ged. Thank you so much for this note. And the lecture also will be converted and uploaded to a YouTube channel, and I will send the link for YouTube. Professor Fukami, you want to see something? Goodbye. Okay. So I wanted to finish this symposium by hearing the send for Egypt and Japan. So let us hear it again, if you don't mind. Sure. I will play it in my background now. So just a minute. And now for Egyptian. Thank you so much. See you soon, inshallah. Goodbye.
Okay. Thank you.
شكرا.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank
Goodbye.
you. Bye.
شكرا. السلام عليكم.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.